all of them are coming from Nasarawa State. They follow this vehicle. Please, ladies and gentlemen on the borders, take signal of this vehicle. Don't allow this vehicle to come or close to through your borders. The same thing with this one. Which state are you from? Lafia. Which state are you from? Which state are you from? Lafia. Which state are you from? Yola. Which state are you from? Huh? Kogi. Which state are you from? Huh? Nasarawa. Which state are you for you? All of you come this side. All of you come this side.
Come down back.
Another person is there?
They should come down.
All of you come down. Please. Jesus Christ. Come down. Hey, come this side.
Go back. Oga.
Which state are you from? Which state are you from? Stay there, stay there. Come, hey, come. Which state are you from? Lafia. Which state are you from? Nasarawa. Which state are you from? All of you from Nasarawa. Come down, come down.
Hey, come on. Hey, if you're in this vehicle, come here.
Come close, all of you, come close.
Go to that lane.
This is what you are seeing. This is happening now at Amansie by Express. All these trailer tanker drivers, they cover all the Almajiris from Nasarawa coming down to Anambra, and we will turn them back as soon as we clear this area. Hey, all of you, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.